Have you ever packed for a camping trip only to realize your cooking setup is taking up almost as much space as your tent and gear? Or maybe you've used a portable stove that looked great online, but struggled to maintain heat once the wind picked up. For outdoor enthusiasts, finding a stove that's compact, reliable, and actually enjoyable to use can be surprisingly difficult. That's where the Coleman Fold N Go 2-burner propane stove steps in. The Coleman Fold N Go is designed for campers, tailgaters, picnic lovers, overlanders, and anyone who wants a simple, portable cooking solution without sacrificing real cooking performance. Its biggest selling point is convenience. It folds into a compact, easy-to-carry package while still offering enough cooking power for preparing full meals outdoors. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you'll notice is how travel-friendly the design feels. Unlike larger camp stoves that require dedicated storage space, the Fold N Go lives up to its name by folding into a surprisingly compact form factor. The integrated carrying handle makes transportation simple, and it feels like a product that was genuinely designed with mobility in mind. Whether you're loading it into a car trunk, RV compartment, or camping bin, it doesn't feel like a burden to bring along. In terms of construction, Coleman keeps things practical and durable. The aluminized steel cooktop helps resist rust and outdoor wear, which is important considering the environments this stove is likely to encounter. The chrome-plated cooking grates feel sturdy and provide a stable platform for cookware. More importantly, they're removable, which makes cleanup much easier than with many competing portable stoves. Overall, the build quality inspires confidence without making the stove unnecessarily heavy. Using the stove for the first time is refreshingly simple. The InstaStart ignition system eliminates the need for matches or lighters. Press a button, turn the burner controls, and you're ready to cook. It's a small convenience, but one that becomes especially valuable during early morning breakfasts at camp or when weather conditions aren't cooperating. When it comes to actual cooking performance, the Fold N Go delivers exactly what most campers are looking for. The dual burner setup gives you the flexibility to cook multiple foods simultaneously. You can boil water on one side while preparing eggs, bacon, or vegetables on the other. That kind of versatility makes meal preparation feel less like a chore and more like cooking in a small outdoor kitchen. One of the standout features is the independently adjustable burners. Instead of running everything at the same heat level, you can create separate temperature zones. This makes it much easier to manage different foods at once without constantly moving pans around. Beginners will appreciate the simplicity, while experienced outdoor cooks will enjoy the additional control. Another area where this stove performs well is heat consistency. Thanks to Coleman's pressure control technology, the burners maintain stable output even when outdoor conditions become less than ideal. Anyone who's dealt with fluctuating burner performance during windy mornings or cooler temperatures will understand why this matters. Consistent heat leads to more predictable cooking results and a less frustrating overall experience. The stove is also relatively fuel efficient. Running both burners on high can provide over an hour of cooking time from a standard propane cylinder, which is enough for multiple meals during short trips. For casual campers and weekend adventurers, that's often more than sufficient. Noise levels are practically non-existent. Unlike some outdoor cooking equipment that produces constant mechanical sounds, this stove quietly does its job in the background. Cleanup is another strong point. The removable grates simplify washing, and the cooktop wipes down easily after use. Less time cleaning means more time enjoying your trip. Of course, there are some limitations. The compact size that makes the stove so portable also limits cooking capacity. It accommodates 2 pans up to 10 inches, which is perfect for couples or small families, but may feel restrictive when cooking for larger groups. Additionally, while the stove offers strong performance for its size, it isn't intended to replace larger multi-burner camp kitchen systems designed for extended group camping. Overall, the Coleman Fold N Go 2-burner propane stove succeeds by focusing on what most outdoor cooks actually need: reliable heat, simple operation, compact portability, and easy cleanup. It solves many of the frustrations associated with outdoor cooking while remaining approachable for beginners and experienced campers alike. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest outdoor gear reviews. And if you're thinking about upgrading your camping kitchen before your next trip, check out the link in the description for the latest pricing and availability.